All right, Wednesday morning, I am in six trades. The only one I'm not is the euro. As you can see, still awaiting to get filled above the midpoint. So, again, all my trades are based on the buy sell levels that I post every evening. After I post them, I go to my charts and I draw a red line for a sell level, blue line for a buy level, and then a dashed line, and that is the midpoint between the buy and the sell level. And then, of course, I'm looking to get long above the midpoint or short below, and try as much as I can to hold the trade. Now, when things are very range bound, as they've been for the past couple of days, not much was happening. Pretty much, I would get in the trade, and then price would come back and take me out at break even or maybe with a small loss. But today things are moving. As you can see, oil with a beautiful move up, and I was long again right above the midpoint, and I'm just trailing the price. Everything else pretty much is down. The indices are all down, and again, once price went below the midpoint, I just went short and was looking for the price to first hit the sell level and then see if I can trail it lower. So that's what I'm doing with the indices. Oil I am long, and nothing yet in the euro. So this is the same exact thing you've seen me doing in other videos. I never thought really of trading 7 markets, but I figured it would help the group members if they see exactly what I'm talking about, because I do the same thing for every single market. Once I post these levels, put them on my charts, and then that gives me sort of like a map to let me know if price wants to go higher or lower, and then based on that, I take the trades. So nothing to do here but just wait to see if I can continue to trail the price, or they're going to come and take me out. All right, so very nice move in the indices lower, especially in the Nasdaq. So that's why it pays to kind of trail the price, see if they can move, continue to move your way. And so far, the indices are moving lower. I'm gonna start trailing them, and nothing on the euro. So I was kind of hoping to go for a long, but as you can see, instead price went below the midpoint, and now it's hitting the sell level. So if I was short, which I am not, but if I was short, I would be in profit right now as price is getting to the sell level. Some retracement back in oil, but the indices are moving nicely. All right, so the Nasdaq continues to move beautifully, and you see what happens once price goes below that midpoint. Go straight to the sell level. Of course, I put both levels up, but there was no point looking at the buy level right now. But very nice move in the Nasdaq. I did get stopped on the trail in some of the other markets, but very nice move lower in the Nasdaq. And I can start trailing the stop lower now. All right, so got stopped on the trail in gold and oil. Still got the indices, nothing in the euro yet. Go lower here. Now over 100 points in this trade. Going to continue to trail the stop, so it turns into a very nice trade from slightly below that midpoint. Just a beautiful short. So a really good day today. This is my rhythmic dashboard, $150,000 account, over 3,000 on profit. Just a tremendous day. Pretty much all the markets cooperated. These are the alerts that were posted last night, and all the levels that I showed you have to do with these alerts. I simply put the buy and the sell levels on the charts. I find the midpoint between the buy and the sell, and then I know if I want to be long or short. And when things are moving like they did today, and you can hold positions, some of those trades turn pretty big. Otherwise, there is nothing wrong with simply going for $100 per e-mini contract. If you're trading micros, you would adjust accordingly, and this is just a much simpler way to trade. So once again, all my information is in the description. Hope everyone had a great day, and see you next video.